it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. On this tutorial, we will be creating with the newest Softlex company design kit, Surfs Up, and I am using some beads from the exclusive Jesse James bead mix that was also found in the kit, and I am using the beautiful bead strand that corresponds with this design kit. We'll be making a pair of earrings as well as a bracelet. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And if any of these products are still available, I will leave a link down below in the description. The tutorial playlist for all other creations with this design kit surfs up. Let's start creating. So I love the Jesse James bead strands that they make for Softlex Company. Um, they're absolutely fantastic. So sometimes the bead strands, or most of the time the bead strands, I should say, it's just ready to go. So you could just restring this as a necklace, or maybe just add in some beads like I will be doing today. So just super fun. You can always add more to it, like if you want to put a charm. But they're just always creative. Like you'll find some specialty beads like these ones, or lots of sparkle, and then like the mixed metal as well. And I know the bead strands, they're very unique. So sometimes they kind of become collector items and they'll sell it super quickly. So if there's one that you like, highly recommend you buy it when you can. So we're going to go ahead and just remove this from our strands to start. And I want to kind of keep my beads in order. I know which ones I'm going to use for earrings. So I'm going to try to keep everything organized and then just add in what I need to. So for my earrings, I'm going to be using these beads, these super sparkly beads, because you have to have sparkle, and then the hearts. So I'm just going to set these off to the side. We're going to do the earrings last. And then we're just going to sprinkle in the other beads. Try to keep everything in order. Adding in these little cubes, super sparkly bead and another cube. We'll do the same thing on this side. So we have our beautiful bracelet. And when I saw these colors and then like these beads, they just reminded me of the Softlex Company design kit last year for summer, Turtle Love, which was my all-time favorite. So I kind of wanted to do the same color palette for this bracelet. And then if I have a little turtle charm, I can add that in the future. So we're going to be making a stretch bracelet with our Stretch Magic in the 0.7 millimeter. And I like to keep my Stretch Magic on the spool, similar to Softlex. It just kind of acts as a bead stop. So we're just going to add on all the beads. And you could use a thicker one. If you wanted to use the 1 millimeter, you can do that as well. Or you could just add this bracelet in Softlex. I just kind of wanted a stretch bracelet for summertime. So we have all of our beads added on. Just going to cut a good workable length from our spool. And then I just like to grab the two ends together. And then we're just going to do an overhand knot and give it a pull. The knot is nice and secure. And then I place this knot here between this bigger bead here with the cube. And we're just going to pass back through. And our little knot is going to tuck inside that cube bead. And you should hear like a little pop. When it goes through, trim off our extra cord or stretch cord. We have our beautiful Surfs Up bracelet, super, super sparkly. So we're just going to set that off to the side. And now we're going to work on our earrings. So we'll need two head pins, two eye pins, and earring wires of your choice. And I could use gold. We'll just use silver for our connection points. And we'll be making our loops with our tool with the one-step looper. So we're going to add on our beautiful little heart beads. So we have our heart beads added on to our eye pins or head pins. And then we're just going to slide it into our tool for the one-step looper. We're going to give it a squeeze. And we have our perfect loop. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And this is the 1.5 millimeter, and there are two larger sizes. And now we're just going to bring in our round nose pliers. And kind of gently open our little loop that we just made, and we're going to attach it to the eye pin. And give it a close, and we're just kind of gently rolling it back into place. We're going to add on one of our little clay beads that came from our bead strand. And you can tell it has a larger hole, so it kind of covers up the little eye pin loop. Of course, add on our sparkle, and we'll make our loop on that one in just a moment. We're going to do the same thing. Just open up our little heart charm, attach it to our eye pin, give it a close, and then we'll add on the rest of it. And we're going to bring in our looper tool again. Give it a squeeze. We'll do the same thing on the other one. We have our beautiful earrings, super sparkly. We're going to bring in our ear finding. We're just going to open it similar to how we were closing our little components, and we're just going to attach our earring to our ear wire and give it a close. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And give it a close. We have our super sparkly earrings and our beautiful and sparkly bracelet as well, using the newest Softlex Company design kit and exclusive Jesse James Bead Strand in Surf's Up. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for more tutorials featuring this awesome design kit, as well as links to the products if they are still available. Have an awesome day.